Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs 2 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the option System and Updates. Then let's tap on Language and Input and tap on Language and Region at the top. So here we've got the list of all, let's say, currently applied languages. So we've got the shortcut of the full list. We've got English and Polish. So let's begin with adding new language. So let's tap on Add Language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of verbal languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and then tap on it. I will pick Turkish. So just tap on it and your device will immediately ask you whether you'd like to change the system language to the new one. So just tap on Change if you're ready. And as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language, and my new language is applied at the very top of this shortcut list. If you've got more than one language added here, so like in my case I've got 3, all you have to do is to simply tap on the language which you'd like to apply. I'll pick English, and as you can see it will be immediately set without any kind of additional confirmations, so that's quite quick. And if you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit and tap on this X button next to the language which you'd like to remove. Here you can also reorder them. Just tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the desired position, so you can sort them as you wish. And as I said, if you wish to remove it, just tap on this X button next to it. Tap on the tick icon to confirm, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.